Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just to mention that Firefox 93 is out, and if you don't really care about new features and what it's all about, there's one thing you should, and it's security. And in Firefox 93 there are 8 security fixes that have been applied, so it's important to apply them or to update your browser for these reasons. And of 8 security updates, there are 5 high impact security flaws. So high impact means it can be exploited by bad guys quite easily. 5 high security, 3 moderate. Moderate requires a little more attention. Usually it's, you need to have access to the computer. Although a high severity flaw exploited can actually exploit a moderate security flaw, in case you didn't know, because it means the hacker has access to the PC as if he would be on your computer. So Firefox 93 is updated today. Simply go to the upper right corner in Firefox and the hamburger menu, go to Help and About Firefox. And it's going to update itself to 93.0 today, October the 5th, 2021. So what are the different security flaws? One is use after free and message task. During operations of message task, a task may been removed while it was still scheduled and does a memory corruption. So it's potentially exploitable here. There's also another impact for something called memory safety bugs that are fixed. So there are different memory safety bugs that are actually fixed in here and that were present in Firefox 92. So some of these bugs showed evidence of memory corruption. So it could be possible to actually hijack the computer in the browser with this. There's a community member, Kevin Brosnan, that apparently reported another memory safety bug problem in 92. So these, memory, all the corruption stuff, memory safety bugs and different types of crashes that you can create often open an opportunity or a flaw that can be exploited. And this is pretty much what's happening here. So just make sure that you update to version 93 for security purposes. And once again, upper right corner, hamburger menu, Help, About Firefox. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.